So I've had a big event in my life recently, which is that we've moved house. And part of moving house is moving the workshop. And I never thought it was going to be this hard, but it was an unbelievable experience. And I'm now going to show you, so I'm going to actually film putting my workshop together, and it might be useful to some of you, and some of you might think I'm crazy, but you know what? I would love your input into what you think I'm doing wrong, what I could do better. So now I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you what kind of situation we're in right now, and hopefully you can give me some advice. And it's going to take a while because I've also got to set up our house, and my wife has made it very clear that that's the #1 priority, so it is the #1 priority. Anyway, tell me what you think, and any ideas you have, any great thoughts, let me know. So 2 days ago, the movers brought all my stuff in here. It wasn't easy actually, because there were a few steps up, and bringing the big machines in, well, mind you, they're not that big when I see some of your guys' YouTube videos, but my Micron machines were quite a deal. And also my massive workbench, that wasn't exactly fun. I had to take 2 of the legs off. Now, as you might see, this is a very old room. It's actually this house is about 1750, and the walls are wood panelled. As you can see, somebody's taken the liberty of painting them, but it seems to have been okay. And there are also a load of cupboards built in, wardrobes actually, I think they are. And so I'm going to be using them. But the rest of it, as you can see, is an absolute mess. Now, the first thing I wanted to do actually was to cover the floors. Let's see if the focus comes in, because I don't want in fact I don't want anything to damage these floors. So under the machines I've laid down some flooring to protect them, and the layout I'm thinking of is, as you can see, I've got these machines here, the milling machine there, I'm going to have the drill press over there and the saw, etc. And then I was thinking of having the workbenches down the middle, and rather crazily in the corner over there I was thinking of maybe having an oven to do a bit of powder coating, although I'm not even sure about that. So that's the basic layout. The room is about 6 meters by, no, it's 5.5 meters by 5.5 meters. And I've got to make this work. Now, the one problem about this place is, and I know I'm really bitching about something that's amazing already, but is that it's going to be very difficult for me to get more machinery in here. I think I can definitely get a better drill press rather than that piece of rubbish over there. But sadly, I don't think I'm going to be able to get a bigger milling machine, which I was hoping to get, and various other things. But you know what? I'll survive. So my thought was, again, against that wall over there, gosh, the focus is going crazy right now, would be to have workbenches, and more workbenches in the middle, and maybe some machines. Well, the other possibility, of course, is to put the machines in the middle. So any thoughts you have, let me know. This is going to take me quite a while to do, because, as I say, I've got to look after the house. One of the things that I'm going to do definitely, though, is I'm putting wood paneling. I've bought a load of wood paneling, some OSB board and plywood to protect the walls, and the floor in the middle. I'm thinking of, actually, I've got some scrap carpet that I was going to put down. Or maybe some dedicated garage flooring. Anyway, send me your thoughts. I'd love to hear them. Thank you.